Are you looking for the best folding picnic tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding picnic tables that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Portal Folding Picnic Camping Table. The complication-free structure makes this folding picnic table suitable for all. The aluminum construction also makes this table long-lasting. Moreover, the assembly of this table takes only a minute. The compact table comes with detachable metal slats. You can assemble the slats to get the tabletop with ease. You can also put all parts of this table into a compact carrying bag. Furthermore, the skid-resistant feet make the assembly safe and stable. You can use this table for several outdoor adventures, like camping. The carrying bag has a mesh bottom layer. Hence, this bag accommodates a few extra accessories. Number 4. Suncorto 4-Person Folding Picnic Table. The practical design makes this table set suitable for traveling. This set also brings you 4 folding stools along with the table. You can customize the table height according to your needs. Moreover, this table and folding seats come with lightweight aluminum alloy framing. Hence, the furniture set offers easy folding. The folding picnic table and stools are also suitable for 4 persons. Furthermore, the tabletop has an inbuilt umbrella hole. The thick fiberboard reinforces the structure of this table. The slip-resistant feet keep this table stable under any circumstance. Nevertheless, you can use this set for activities, like camping, partying, and more. Number 3. Giantex Portable Folding Picnic Beer Table. This folding picnic table comes along with 2 benches. Nevertheless, the table set can withstand the harshness of everyday wear and tear. The Chinese fir-wide boards also make the tabletop and benches durable. Moreover, the bench set has a solid iron frame. Hence, this frame assures exceptional durability and rigidity. The furniture set also requires no tools for assembly. Furthermore, you can use this set for several indoor and outdoor occasions. The wooden construction comes with a moisture-proof coating. Therefore, this picnic table makes cleaning and maintenance headache-free. However, the folding structure never leaves you struggling during transportation. Number 2. Sunny Foldable Camping Picnic Table. This folding picnic table comes along with an attached stool design. Hence, this set is also suitable for 4 persons. Moreover, the sturdy rubber feet assure the stability of this table. The aluminum frame is never prone to rusting or corroding. However, the ABS plastic components strengthen the structure of this table. The polypropylene tabletop also makes this picnic extremely durable. Furthermore, the rectangular-shaped tabletop and seats ensure the stability of this set. You can use this table for picnics, making crafts, and more. This travel-friendly furniture set can double up the fun for outdoor activities. However, the umbrella hole increases the functionality of this table set. Number 1. Lifetime Folding Picnic Table. The ergonomic design makes this folding picnic table unthinkably practical. The thick polyethylene tabletop also offers resistance against moisture and stains. Moreover, the tubular steel structure ensures the stability of this furniture set. The rectangular-shaped tabletop offers enough serving space for multiple persons. Nevertheless, the benches accommodate up to 900 lbs of weight. The weatherproof finish makes this furniture set suitable for outdoor places. Furthermore, this picnic table includes an umbrella hole and a cap. The steel frame does not usually chip, crack, rust, or peel. However, you can keep the tabletop clean by using a wiping cloth. The folding structure helps you to carry this set stress-freely.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.